Hey loves, I just want to give you a quick FYI that this video you're about to watch is a video that I did record early last year. I know you guys did request that I upload videos that I never got a chance to post. So here's one of them. This is going to be a quick little Flexi Rod set. I plan on doing an updated one within the next month or two, but I'll let you guys know. Just please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share on all your social media with all your friends and family and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.
Alright, so let's get to it, guys. Here I have the Flexi Rod, and here I'm just showing you guys my hair. My hair was super damaged, as you can see. This was before I recorded I cut my hair video. This was way before that. You see how much damage I had in the front right there? Yeah. Okay, so right here I am using the Apogee Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructor. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. I use it every time I know I'm about to put heat in my hair. If I'm sitting there under the hair dryer, I use this. If I blow dry my hair, I use this. And in this case, I was going to sit under the dryer, so that's why I sprayed it on my hair. Okay, so here I divided up my hair. I always start from the back and go up. And as I had right there is a SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And what am I doing is just raking it through my hair first. Next, I have my dimming brush. I'm going to comb it through just to make sure it's all throughout my strands of hair. Next, I have my good old Eco Styler gel. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just distributing it through my hair first. Combing through my hair. Look at those curls. They're kind of cute. And next, I'm grabbing my Flexi Rod. Now what I'm doing here is I wrap it around at the top first, fold the top of the Flexi Rod down, then curl the rest of my hair around the Flexi Rod. And after that, I fold it back up. Well, fold the bottom up. Y'all know what I mean. I'm just detangling my hair, and ooh, looking at this, I'm going kind of rough. So don't detangle your hair like that, guys. I have the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, detangle, Eco Styler gel, detangle, and I have my Flexi Rod. Wrap it around, fold the top down, wrap the rest of the hair around the Flexi Rod, then fold up that bottom. And voila, there you go. And I think I'm going to show probably maybe one more, and then after that I'm going to speed it on up. I think you guys got the hang of it now. And this technique I actually learned from Amina Marie, but she does it backwards. I think she uses her gel first and then her Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but I decided to do it the other way around. This was my first time trying out that technique, and I actually like it.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
And as you can see right here, I had to dry my hair off. My hair was so moisturized. I had actually just got through watching Natural's 85 video. She had a new wash day routine, and she had a technique that keeps your hair super moisturized. As you watch this video I'm doing right here, I did not have to spray my hair with water, not one time. I didn't have to respray at all. My hair was so moisturized the whole time. It was crazy. I will link her video down below just as a reference so you guys can see it. You have to watch it if you haven't already. And as you guys probably see, I was obviously in my transitioning stage at that time. That's why you see all that damage and stuff, especially in the front. The back wasn't as bad, but the front was a hot mess. But yeah, so I wanted to try out different hairstyles just to make me love my natural hair, you know, and not try to wear messed up wash and goes because my hair was so damaged at the bottom, you know. So I did a lot of flexi rods, perm rods, twist outs, braid outs, and things like that. You just have to play around with your hair, try out different styles just to see what you like, you know, because the transitioning stage is a hard stage to go through and it can be pretty long. Now you notice throughout the back and sides of my hair I used orange and the purple Flexi Rods, but when I get closer to the front I'm going to use the red ones because that's where all of my damage was at and I wanted my curls to be tight, so I used the red ones and I also used some blue ones too in the front and some orange ones just to have a different variation of curls but still have them tight. And voila, I am done. I didn't get a chance to record, but I did air dry for a few hours and then I ended up sitting under the hair dryer for a few hours and then I went to bed. Okay, so it is the next morning and I have my handy dandy coconut oil. And what I did was rub coconut oil over my fingertips and a little bit on my hair before I touched my hair just to avoid frizz. And right here I am just unraveling the curls by turning the curl to the direction that it was formed so I would not mess up the pattern. And I did record me taking out the Flexi Rods, but the footage was so horrible I just could not put it on here, so I ended up deleting it. Lord, what am I doing? But anyways, I grabbed my pick, and so what I'm doing is picking out my hair, and I'm just picking it out at the roots because I did not want to pick all throughout my hair and mess up the curls and cause frizz. I also forgot to mention that my hair was still kind of wet in some spots, so that's why you see that frizz. You see it right there in the back. I still had some frizz because my hair was so moisturized from trying out that technique. It was crazy. But look at the curls in the front. They didn't turn out as tight as I wanted them to be, but I still made it work. It was cute.
This is a
Alright y'all, so that's it. The curls, you know how day one curls are. They're not all that, but that's how it turned out. And later on that day I posted a little Snapchat video, so I thought I was looking cute or whatever. And I'm also going to post up some few pictures from day 5. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please take the time to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Love you guys. Bye-bye.